folks, welcome to another episode of the KJ Show. I hope you've been enjoying all our various episodes because we love entertaining you, and thank you so much for watching us. Hello? Kunji! Hey!
क्या है?
The camera is rolling.
रोलिंग है तो तुम बोल तो रही हो, ठीक है ना? Everything's good.
अरे बाबा, it started, the episode has started. What is wrong with you?
There is nothing wrong with me यार, मैं बस.
अरे hello.
What hello यार?
ये कहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं?
You know, मेरा मूड कुछ ठीक
अच्छा,
नहीं
did you
है.
even see that I tried to match you almost orange?
Yeah, अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा लग रहा
Oh
है.
my God, he never says that. What is wrong with you? आज आपको क्या हो गया है?
You know, 2020 has been not a nice year. 2021 आ गया है. A lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people have lost their loved ones, and life has changed. It is really बहुत नुकसान हुआ है.
अरे I know नुकसान हुआ है बहुत लोगों का, but why are you so upset? See, you have a job, I have a job. We are trying to entertain people, make their lives happier.
You have a dental practice. तुम्हारा तो you know, चल रहा है business. मेरा क्या है?
तो
मेरा
आपका भी realty investment चल रहा है?
ठीक है, you know, but lot of other people also, मतलब you know, who have lost their jobs and very having tough times.
अच्छा, okay. Make your mood good because I am going to introduce you to somebody that is going to make you feel so much better.
Like what?
Actually, मेरे दिमाग में एक ख्याल आया है.
क्या ख्याल आया?
Has anybody told you that you look like somebody?
Me?
Huh?
I look like somebody. Like whom?
Don't you think he looks like Salman Khan?
Oh, me looking like Salman Khan? I don't believe it. Really? नसीब तो वैसा नहीं है, लेकिन वैसा.
मैं कब से सोच रही थी कि आपको बता दूं,
Thank
लेकिन
you.
आप बता ही दिया.
Thank you. But आज तुम कुछ कह रही थी कि
Yes, I have amazing guests on the show. I have yoga masters Pradeep and Poonam Gupta, and they are going to make us feel relaxed, stress-free.
प्रदीप गुप्ता, पूनम गुप्ता, I think ये वो नहीं है जो चक्रा and रेकी.
Chakra, Reiki, they've been teaching yoga for about 20 plus years in New Jersey. They're IT professionals. They're doing such a great job to make people's lives healthier and better. So today we are going to meet them.
We are so blessed. So congratulations to Pradeep and Poonam for you know, हमारी community में ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो सबकी सहायता करते हैं, सबकी help करते हैं ताकि उनकी health इस tough time में ठीक रहे.
और देखना है कि योगा से क्या होगा.
योगा से क्या होगा?
हाँ, let's find out.
Let's find out.
Welcome friends to another episode of the KJ Show. I am Jay Janvi. This is K Kulraj, जिनकी आज बैटरी डाउन है. And we have here Poonam Gupta and Pradeep Gupta, our yoga masters, amazing guests that I had promised. आप
नमस्कार.
ठीक तो हैं?
अरे क्या ठीक, you know कुछ योगा करने से कुछ होगा तो फिर मूड ठीक हो जाएगा.
होगा. प्लीज इनको हंसाओ. He's so different.
इनकी बैटरी आज पूरी चार्ज करा के जाएंगे हम, चिंता मत.
अरे गुड.
इनसे योगा भी होगा और आई एम ग्लैड यू कॉल्ड अस. ये हंसेंगे, इतना हंसेंगे कि बाय द एंड ऑफ इट ही विल बी कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड पर्सन.
व्हेन वी आर डन योगा ही होगा.
अब पता नहीं क्या होगा, मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता कि अब क्या होगा.
अब योगा होगा.
योगा हमसे ना होगा.
कुलजी अब योगा होगा.
ये तो कुछ बात बन रही है.
हंस रहे.
शुरुआत है, अभी देखते जाएंगे.
तो हम शुरुआत करेंगे लाफ्टर योगा से. कुल जी को हंसाना सबसे पहले तो हमारा यही जॉब है. तो लाफ्टर योगा, let's begin and then you will know what is laughter yoga because I know a lot of you must be curious what is laughter yoga.
What is laughter yoga?
Okay, let's
shake hands.
So shake hands with me and laugh.
हाथ बहुत भारी है.
फिर भी हंस रहे हैं.
ये हाथ ठीक है, लेकिन दिस इज एकदम पूरे पूरी बॉडी के अंदर ऐसा लगता है कि खून ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, नीचे से ऊपर आ रहा है।
खुल गया ना सब कुछ और कितनी खुशी आई है उससे। हमको कोई जोक भी नहीं सुनाना पड़ा।
सरदार खुश हुआ, शाबाशी देगा। और
वो कहते हैं laughter is the best medicine. That is why.
Okay.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm
फीलिंग वेरी गुड। मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा पसीना भी आ रहा है और आई फील दैट बॉडी के अंदर एकदम से जो आपकी जो पूरी बॉडी का जो आपका जो माइंड का रुझान है, वो जो सैडनेस थी वो एकदम से चली गई।
क्योंकि जब हम हंसते हैं ना डीप, तो हम डीप ब्रीदिंग भी करते हैं, हमको अंदर ऑक्सीजन मिलती है एंड दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स सर्कुलेशन और हमारी इम्यूनिटी भी बढ़ती है उससे। सो इट्स अ ग्रेट एक्सरसाइज। लेट्स डू सम मोर। व्हाट डू यू गाइस से?
Yeah.
It increases blood circulation.
Sure,
by
sure. I want to
50%.
learn more. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do more. So
You
now
know the
we'll do
correct?
another funny one.
Yeah,
The electric
sure.
shock.
Electric shock.
Okay.
So
ये तो वाकई में आप भी इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक, आप भी अपने घर में जहाँ बैठे।
So we connect back to our kids self when we were totally carefree and stress free. That's how powerful it is.
Before we move on, let's do one last.
Yes.
How about we make lassi? Everybody knows what lassi is?
लस्सी।
Yeah, so we have 2 glasses in our hand. Yeah.
Kulji had lot of shots.
तो उनके लिए शॉट, इनके लिए कॉकटेल। कुल जी कॉकटेल, हमारी लस्सी।
This is another shot of lassi.
Yeah. So we just do and then drink.
ओए बल्ले बल्ले, ओए बल्ले बल्ले। अरे सारी लस्सी पी गई, कुड़ी भी कमाल है। सारी लस्सी पी गई कुड़ी।
Oh my God, this is how do you like the show and how do you like my guests?
नो, अब ये गेस्ट तुम्हारे नहीं, ये गेस्ट मेरे हैं। पूनम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Oh my God, thank you.
Indus-
Thank you so much. इनको
एट द
हंसाने के लिए।
बिहाफ ऑफ इंडस टीवी आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत किया, आपने मेरा मूड बदल दिया।
आपकी वजह से हमारे को भी इतनी हंसी मिल गई है। हम भी हंसते ही जा रहे हैं।
We got our dose of oxygen.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So tell us, what are the different types of yoga?
So laughter yoga is one you just saw, but the most popular yoga is hatha yoga. Hatha yoga. Hatha means physical.
The best thing is because American people have started accepting yoga now so much, like Poonam said, 80 million are ready to do it. They've also started, getting more variations of yoga. They started making it their own. So you hear things like goat yoga, you hear their hot yoga. This is again beer yoga, right? Couple yoga. So all of these are different variations to just have more fun with the yoga.
वॉइस योगा,
Voice yoga.
वॉइस योगा।
You can have yoga while running also when you are connecting with your breath. So that is the next form of yoga I was.
And the next form which I am going to teach Janvi is money yoga.
ये अभी आया नहीं है, लेकिन आ जाएगा। आ जाएगा।
money yoga.
तो आपको ट्रेनिंग क्या लेनी पड़ी for teaching yoga?
So we're born and brought up in India. My father used to do yoga, and we had no option.
Okay.
And it was so much fun doing yoga with him. We would stand on our heads and on our hands, and we just grew up doing yoga.
I remember Poonam that back those days, I think everybody in the household, all the parents used to do yoga, like do all this just
Exactly. That is how I learnt it. Watching it on TV. वहाँ पे धीरेन्द्र ब्रह्मचारी का शो आता था, वो देखते थे, अपने मॉर्निंग में अपने वॉक पे जाते थे, नेबरहुड में देखते थे, and then that's how we learnt it.
Yeah, yoga is in our blood, but when we came to United States, we took certification.
Yeah, because it's very regulated here.
These are like, how long are the certifications?
There are all kinds of certifications.
200
actually.
hours is the most popular.
Yeah.
200 घंटे
200 hours.
आप कर पाएंगे?
मैं 200 घंटे नहीं कर सकता हूँ,
And
मुझे
I'll tell
माफ
you-
करो।
I'll tell you, this only takes 3 to 4 months, but you would see the person starting to take the yoga teacher training after 200 hours. They are totally transformed people. Because yoga is not just about physical exercise. There is breathing involved, there is meditation involved, there is connection to self.
Right.
So much gets released, and everything, all the major illnesses today have the
So there are so many benefits, right?
Yeah, so many benefits.
And once you start on this path, ना you just continue because laughter हम लोग में हमने किया, उसके बाद हम लोग ने चक्रास में किया, रेकी में. So you know this is like once you start on these modalities, you start seeing the benefits.
मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरे अंदर से कोई एनर्जी बाहर आ रही है.
आप उस एनर्जी को चैनलाइज
हमें भी देख रही है चक्रास आपके सारे घूमने शुरू हो गए हैं.
तो मुझे एक बताओ, what is chakras? Is chakra a form of yoga or is it something different?
So chakras basically are these energy centers in our body. And there are 7 major chakras that influence different areas of our body. Right, you know, from the base of our spine, that is the root chakra, all the way to the crown of our head, that is the crown chakra. And they all are different. So like the root chakra, for example, helps us with safety, sense of security, stability, those kind of things. You know, if you're feeling insecure or stressed, anxious, root chakra needs to be aligned, then it has to be brought into balance. Same thing, we have sacral chakra, we have solar plexus chakra, we have heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra. So all of these chakras impact different areas of our life.
And there are 7.
And they're supposed to be constantly circulating in a certain direction. And if they stop circulating or they go in the reverse direction, that area of our life gets disturbed.
तो इनका थोड़ा सर्कुलेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो गया.
कोई ऐसा चक्र है कि मैं इसको कंट्रोल कर सकूं जानवी को?
इसके लिए आपको हिप्नोथेरेपी सीखनी पड़ेगी. बट योगा इज द बेस्ट वे टू बैलेंस योर चक्रास.
Okay.
फर्स्ट वन इज द रूट चक्रा बिकॉज वी डू barefoot yoga. So we get connection with the ground, and that gives us a lot of grounding and stability.
Very
and we feel
interesting.
safe automatically by doing yoga.
Benefits of yoga.
हाँ, benefits, yeah.
इनको कैसे benefit हुआ है?
दोनों को,
as
as a couple आप दोनों साथ में करते हैं.
हाँ तो पूनम तुम बताओ.
That's one of the benefits is that he lets you talk first.
Exactly. I have realized my place. Exactly. BV is the boss.
ये और एक benefit है.
So I used to do yoga by myself, but when I introduced yoga he used to do yoga, but when I invited him to substitute for my classes, and he happily agreed, I saw.
Did I have a choice? She started teaching, and one day she wasn't available. So she said, Pradeep, why don't you go and teach? Now I knew what she was teaching, but I had never taught before. And I started teaching. I mean, I had really no choice. And that's basically when I got inspired. And you know, I got my certification also after that. And then we've been just doing this. So now every morning we get up and we do yoga together for an hour.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
6:30.
6:30.
Yeah.
And how long you do yoga? Like
1 hour.
1 hour. Yeah. And we try to do it at least 5 times a week.
And I mean, you would say that it benefits your relationship.
It's our time. You know, we kind of look forward to doing it together. And when we do the same poses together, we feel so much in sync with each other.
that is such an interesting thing.
Exchange, and when we are talking about things, we know where other person is coming from, and we can understand each other so much better with instead of misunderstanding.
finish each other's sentences.
Exactly.
That's the thing.
You know, folks, you at home will be showing you more of asanas and how to do yoga. And of course, we want to thank Pradeep Gupta, Poonam Gupta, Kulraj Gupta and Janvi Gupta. I think this is such an important thing in everybody's life, to wake up in the morning and to do breathing exercises, yoga. And I think, yeah, go ahead.
Gul ji, आपने जो गुप्ता बोला, I felt such a oneness in us, because we just did little bit of laughter yoga and it all became one.
Yes.
So I felt such a oneness, and that's the power of yoga. You feel oneness with everybody, and
Because that's what yoga is, union. Yoga means union. So we are united now.
Oh, wow.
Right. And I have never done yoga. I work out so much. So
Well, you are in for some fun today.
there must be some benefits, right, Poonam? You were telling me before.
absolutely, Janvi, I'm surprised that you have not experienced.
First thing I ever did was the laughter
So
yoga.
when you do intense workout like you do, and I watched your video last time, and you were
That show, that KJ show.
जहाँ पे ये केला खा रहे थे.
and केला खा रहे थे. And I was telling myself that I hope Janvi does yoga after this intense workout, because what happens, lactic acid gets built up in
Yes,
your
I do. I
joints.
have like pain
And you
and
get pains and aches, soreness, and after that, if you do yoga, it releases all the lactic acid, and your muscles are relaxed and rejuvenated, and you're ready for next intense workout even better.
Okay.
So you will feel that your body is much more energetic, because relaxation and energy, these are two sides of the same coin. More you relax, more energy
I
you
know,
would
I
feel.
see.
More energy you would feel, more you.
है ना,
So,
मतलब
you know, folks, why don't we go and find out? I want to learn something. इनको बहुत कुछ सीखना है.
मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना है।
योगा से फाइनली कुछ होगा। तो हम लोग चले,
आपका भी होगा, तो let's go and have a yoga session, and you say right there, trust me, this will help all of you out there. Folks, we really want to thank you, and we want to thank everybody who's watching KJ Show, Indus TV. Keep on watching us, and we'll keep on creating all this magic for your health. Good food, cooking shows coming soon, Hindi USA shows coming soon. So we have a lot of shows lined up for you. So see you right in a moment doing some...
Yes, see you in the yoga class.
On the yoga mat.
Stay with us. So we have reached the yoga studios of Indus TV, jahan pe Pradeep Gupta and Poonam Gupta are going to be showing us some asanas. Joining us is our friend Vidhu, and of course my co-host K. हाँ, कैसे बैठे हैं?
हम उमराव जान के स्टूडियो में नहीं है, योगा स्टूडियो में है। ऐसे बैठिए।
कैसे मतलब?
हाँ, देखिए जैसे हम बैठे हैं। सो आई थिंक जानवी स्टार्ट यहीं से करते हैं सबसे पहले शायद आज का शो। तो अपने लिसनर्स को बताना चाहता हूँ कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ हम लोगों के लिए है कि वी नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू सिट। नाउ यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग व्हाट डज दैट मीन। See, the problem is when most of us are sitting, we are in a slouching position. Look at your posture, Janvi. Right?
Yes.
Sorry, no offense.
No.
But basically, what we want to do is when we sit, we want to make sure that our back is straight. Not overly stretched, but not slouched either. And for that, what I would suggest is if you can have like a small pillow, like what I am using here, something very small, or you can have a rolled up mat that you can put under your hip, and you will notice that the posture changes. And Kulji, you want to try this also.
Okay, I will try.
Thank you Poonam, for helping.
मैं ज़्यादा देर
हाँ, so आप उसको मैट को अपने नीचे रखिए and then you will see the difference.
हाँ यार,
Right?
एकदम से फर्क पड़ा।
Thank you.
बिल्कुल आप
Exactly.
फ्री हो गए।
मेरी बॉडी एकदम
So,
back straight हो रही है।
Exactly. Now that we got our back straight, let's focus on our legs. What we can do is either we can sit just cross leg, like यहाँ पे kids बोलते हैं pretzel leg, or we can do Ardha Padmasana, where we take one foot, put on the opposite thigh. Try this. Kulji, आप रहने दें।
आपने
देखिए मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपको आसान रखूंगा मैं।
Thank you. Thank you.
आपका बहुत ख्याल रखना।
हाँ, thank you, sir.
Go ahead. Good, good, good. And now, if you want, you can try placing the other foot also on the opposite thigh. So
Please,
both.
Pradeep.
I think
no,
I'm good.
No, 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 no.
So okay, so this is totally up to you guys. That is one thing about yoga.
Socks.
That's okay. Right now, it's okay. But when we get up, I would like you to take them out. But right now, it's okay. So this is one thing about yoga. Listen to your bodies. I would say, if you feel any discomfort or pain, slow down, reduce the intensity, or even stop. Check with somebody who knows what they are doing. So this is something that you do after years of practice. But you can do one that Poonam is doing, or you can just sit regular stretch. Like doesn't matter. But mainly, what I want is to make sure that when you're sitting, you have some support under your back, so your back is straight. You're not slouching. That is the first thing. And now I think we're going to do the next thing. You want to do the breathing?
Yeah, let's do Ujjayi breath. This is pranayama part of our yoga.
Yeah.
Okay. उल्कुल जी तो ऑलरेडी कोई ब्रेथ करने लगे, मालूम नहीं कौन सी।
आप बताइए।
आप तो सीटी मारने लगे।
मेरी तो वैसे ही हवा निकल रही है।
तो अगर क्रॉस लेग बैठना, जिसको कि हम सुखासन बोलते हैं, वो मुश्किल है तो आप चेयर पे भी बैठ के ये कर सकते हैं। डोंट थिंक कि अगर आप फ्लोर पे नहीं बैठ पा रहे तो आप ये नहीं कर पाएंगे।
Okay.
So let's whoever cannot sit on the ground, please make yourself comfortable on a chair and put your hands on your palms facing the sky on your knees and touch the tip of first finger with tip of your thumb. This is called Gyan Mudra.
Gyan.
Don't press it so tightly because it is the light touch. What it does is it directly affects your pituitary gland, which is responsible for your sleep also and for your memory, Alzheimer's. So it will help with your quality of sleep if you do it in the night before you sleep. And another great breath that we are going to do is Ujjayi breath, which will improve your quality of sleep even more. So in Ujjayi breath, what we do is we breathe in as if breath is going through a straw. We contract our throat a little and pace it such that it is going slowly as if it's going through a straw and creating a half snoring sound. And we breathe out doing the same thing. And by doing that, you will see how quickly you feel relaxed. In fact, in all the mental health facilities these days, Ujjayi breath is a must breath that they practice with everybody there. So let's begin. You can close your eyes to feel more connection with your breath. from mouth, Kulji?
Not from mouth?
Only from nose?
Only from nose.
Yes. That is very important to remember. In yoga, we do most of the breathing from nose unless specifically stated. Now resume your normal breath. Slowly open your eyes and feel how relaxed you feel just with 3 to 5 Ujjayi breaths. And homework for everybody is this: tonight when you sleep, you have to do 10 Ujjayi breaths before you sleep. And then tell me in the morning, how was your night? How was your sleep?
Amazing.
So many people are suffering from insomnia these days, and it's such a simple fix that we can all practice.
Right, yes.
But that's the power of yoga. So definitely.
So what is the next? Because
Okay.
asana.
So what we're going to do next is, these are tough times, like quarantine times. A lot of us are stuck at home, working from home, and majority of our day goes in sitting on a chair in front of a computer like me. So what happens is our hips become very tight. And that is, the root for many problems. Lower body problems, back problems, all of these problems start because our hips become very tight. So next what we're going to do is actually, it's the butterfly asana, Patangasana we call it. And that helps open the hips. Once your hips are free, you will notice how your performance changes. Whether you are a runner, athlete, you're a dancer, or you just do anything, it changes how you feel about your activity. So for that, what we want to do is bring our feet together in the front, like this. Join our feet on toes and heels. Bring the heels in as much as possible to the base of our spine. Hold our toes with our 2 hands, fingers interlaced, keeping the back straight, and flutter our knees like the wings of a butterfly. And it doesn't have to be too close, Kulji. So you can keep it here also. I know आपकी butterfly थोड़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी है, but that's okay. Everybody listens to their body.
No.
No, but that is the thing. That is the best part about yoga. There is no right or wrong. As long as you do it, listen to your body, stay in sync with your body.
So you can even remove your rolled up yoga mat now or blanket.
If you want, you can remove it. I kind of like to just slide off a little bit from it. But it does help me with my posture.
Yeah, actually, it's good just touching your.
Yeah, just touching that.
Just touching itself.
It gives a lot of support.
It does. It's amazing.
So
It
these
does.
small little things, subtle things make
And
so
see
much
if you
difference.
See if you can raise the amplitude of your butterfly flutter.
wingspan.
Yeah, the wingspan.
Yeah.
Speed is not important, but how high you go and how low you go.
Right.
Yeah. Hip openers are very
These
important.
are great hip openers.
Because when hips are tight,
And-
it creates stress on your spine.
Right.
So then you start getting backaches.
And we have a couple of dancers here, we can see. So it's very good for you guys.
Yes, all the dancers
Okay.
do this butterfly move.
Okay.
Butterfly
next-
move. Yeah, it was very
Next,
good.
yeah. So
I
next what
already
we're
feel
gonna
much
do.
better.
गुमराह बन गए वापस
हाँ,
डांस की
कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो चेंज कर रहे हैं. So what we're going to do next is cat and cow.
Okay.
Bithilasana or Marjariasana. So what is this? It's very good for your back.
हाँ,
And what we will do is, we will come on all fours
हाँ.
Okay.
like this. तो कुलजी, हाँ अभी
आराम
देखिए,
बहुत हो गया.
आराम बहुत हो गया.
हाँ.
हाँ. और कुलजी अपना साइड प्रोफाइल दिखाइए ना हमको.
Side.
Side
हाँ, साइड वेज आइए.
योगा की
साइड
mat के
प्रोफाइल
ऊपर.
मैट पर आइए.
ऐसे.
Ah,
Yes.
this is it. Now we'll see whether you are how you are doing it. So main thing is, make sure your hands are shoulder width apart and directly under your shoulders.
Okay.
So don't have too much distance between your knees and your hands. Your knees are also shoulder width apart, directly under your hips.
Okay.
Toes touching, heels are spread. And now keep your back normal, parallel to the floor. Head is relaxed also. So from here, this is the neutral position, okay? Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, bring your head inside and your spine rolls up towards the ceiling. This is as you breathe out, okay?
Oh, this
Now-
is a cat stretch.
This is the cat stretch. Now breathing in, head comes up and the spine now goes down. Yep. Again, breathing out, head goes in, spine goes up. Breathing in, spine goes down, head comes up. Do it at your own pace. Do a few of these. And you can feel how nice it feels on the lower back. So people with back issues, and I used to be one of them, it helps a lot with the back. Strengthens your core. Just remember to breathe out as your head goes in, cat, and breathe in as your head comes up in cow. This is cat and cow.
That was angry cat. This is angry cat. And this is cow.
Angry cat, scared cat.
ये पता नहीं कुलजी का क्या हो गया.
Okay.
Okay, Kulji,
Let's relax. Let's relax now in the neutral position, and we come back in the sitting posture.
Okay.
So Poonam, what's next?
So now we'll do sun salutation.
Okay.
So sun salutation is my favorite because it's a complete yoga practice. It has a series of 12 poses and it has poses and counter poses built into the sequence.
Okay.
And once you do one sun salutation, it takes only 1 minute, and you do 10 sun salutation, it's more intense than your workout, Janvi.
Okay.
And when you want to do power yoga, you can do 10 sun salutation, 20 sun salutations.
Okay.
So now International Yoga Day is coming up on June 21st, and we have started a challenge.
June 21st.
June
June 21st.
Okay, wow.
And we have
This
started.
is a global event now.
This
This
a
is
global.
something that it does India's initiative, and the whole United
So
Nations, all the
proud.
countries
Jai
accepted
Hind.
that. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Go India.
Yeah.
So June 21st, International Yoga Day. Find more information on letsdoyoga.org.
Yes.
That's
This is
correct.
their
Let's
website.
do yoga.org.
Yes.
Let's do yoga.
Awesome. That's your website.
That's our website.
website, and we have started Sun Salutation Challenge in our classes, where we are encouraging everybody to do more and more sun salutations. Goal is to reach 108 sun salutations by June 21st.
Non-stop.
Okay.
So either you
Maybe
can
I'll
do
do
108
Yeah, do it.
salutations in one go, or you can break it up. However way is your level, but just because you cannot do 108 in one go, you do not need to not participate in sun salutation
Okay.
challenge. Everybody can participate in this challenge. And why is this important? Because sun salutation, like I said, is a complete yoga practice. And there has been ton of researches just on sun salutation. It burns, it increases metabolism in your body, it increases immunity during COVID times, which is so important.
Okay.
And it increases flexibility in your joints. It's like a cardiovascular activity as well as stretch together combined in one.
Okay, let's
So
do
let's
it.
do it.
By the way, Pradeep and Poonam have been doing classes on Zoom during COVID.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Safety is first. So come to the front of your mat, facing that way, Kulji.
Facing that way?
Yeah. And come
Also
to the
आगे
front
जाइए.
of your mat, please.
Okay.
Hands in prayer position.
Prayer position. Okay.
Close your eyes and visualize morning sun in the middle of your eyebrows. Take a cleansing breath in and out. Pay attention to your feet, firmly rooted into the ground, and your head pointing the sky. Cleansing breath in and out again. Raise your arms up, look high up in the sky. Breathing out, bend forward and reach out, lengthening through your spine. Hold your ankles, press your forehead to your knees. You can bend your knees if you have any backache issues. Breathing in, take your left knee back on the ground. Both palms flat if possible on the ground by your foot. So your foot and your palms are in one
Move forward a
line.
little.
Move forward.
Yeah.
Okay. And press forward, look up. And breathing out, take your other foot back also in downward dog. Press your heels to the ground, look at your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Breathing in, bring your shoulders forward. In plank, increase the distance between your hands and feet. Take your feet back a little. Breathing out, drop your knees to the ground. Chest and chin to the ground. Ashtangasana. 8 limbs of your body are on the ground right now. Breathing in, scoop your chest forward and up into cobra. Look high up. Breathing out, back to downward dog. Tuck your toes under. Press your heels to the ground. It brings your heart rate down. Downward dog is great relaxing pose, great for your stretch. Breathing in, bring your left foot forward, right knee on the ground.
Bring it further in between the two hands.
Hold your ankle,
More,
bring
more,
it forward. Hold your ankle with your hand.
You can
Yes,
bring it.
very
Yeah,
good.
exactly.
If possible, both palms flat. If you want, you can use yoga blocks for your palms and look up. Breathing out, bring your other foot forward also and press your forehead to your knees. Breathing in with your chin tucked in, slowly raise yourself up and arms up. Breathing out, hands back in prayer position.
Wow.
This was one full sun salutation. I'm so proud of you, Kulji. I was watching
awesome
you.
job there.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Really
If
good.
you can do even 5 of these every day, you will see a difference in your health, in your life.
Only recommendation: wear loose, comfortable clothing like us. You are looking like Amitabh Bachchan.
ये तो हमेशा स्टाइल में
हाँ, comfortable clothing. कोई योगा करने आए हैं. कभी आप उमराव जान करने लगते हैं, कभी आप अब बताइए.
Let's do the other side, and that will complete two cycles, but left and right both sides.
Okay.
So hands in prayer position again, and focus at the middle of your eyebrows. Take a cleansing breath in and out. Raise your arms up, look high up in the sky. Breathing out, bend forward, reach out, lengthening through your spine. Hold your ankles, press your forehead to your knees. Breathing in, take your right knee back on the ground. Both palms flat in one line with your foot. So, foot flat, palms flat. Press forward, look up.
Oh, I always have to do.
Yes. Press forward, look up. Breathing out, take your other foot back. Also in downward dog. Press your heels to the ground. Breathing in, bring your shoulders forward. Take your feet back a little. Plank position. Breathing out, lower your knees to the ground. Chest to chin to the ground. Breathing in, Bhujangasana. Raise your torso up. Breathing out, back to downward dog. Tuck your toes under. Press your heels to the ground. Breathing in, bring your right foot forward between your hands.
There you are.
And look up. Other knee on the ground. Other knee on the
Other
ground.
knee on the ground.
Other knee on the ground. Yes. Breathing out, bring your other foot forward. Press your forehead to your knees. Breathing in, slowly raise yourself up and arms up. Breathing out, hands back in prayer position. Great job.
Awesome.
Nice.
That was so. You do one sun salutation in just 1 minute.
Wow.
So, what I recommend to people, you take break from your work, give yourself 10 minutes, do 6 sun salutations, and 4 minutes to lie down and relax. In
Great.
10 minutes, your yoga practice is done for the
This is a
day.
great experience,
I like it.
and I
It's very
think we
got
really
it.
want to thank you on the behalf of Indus TV and all the viewers of who are watching us at home. Thank you so much. This is KJ Show, and please do this. And it is, I think, recommended that you have to be a little careful if you are like today. I did it for the first time, and I was having some problems. But I think if you try
You have to start from somewhere.
somewhere,
And
So
yoga can
don't
be
give
done
up.
by all ages.
Absolutely.
You don't have to be flexible. Like you saw, I was falling off a couple of times.
No, you
And-
great, but yeah. Don't
And,
let that discourage you. Just keep doing
so
it.
let's
You'll get better.
thank them, and let's thank all the viewers of Indus TV and wherever you
Yes.
are. A happy and healthy 2021 to all of you.
Yes, KJ is dedicated to a healthy, happy lifestyle for this year. So thank you very much for being a part of our show. Keep watching our episodes, and we'd like to thank our guests Pradeep and Poonam Gupta.
Thank you.
Let's do yoga.org
Thank
and
you.
put 21st July, June?
June.
June.
21st.
International Yoga Day
Yeah.
on your calendar.
Thank you so much, and stay well.
Thank you, everybody. Great
Thank
being here.
you.
And I have to tell you guys that Pradeep and Poonam have a lovely DVD called Let's Do Yoga. You can find more information on their website, letsdoyoga.org, which actually shows you all the different asanas and takes you technically through all the different poses and everything. And we're going to see a couple of more interesting things. One of the things that I love seeing is a headstand, something I cannot do, something I aspire to do. Hopefully Poonam will teach me someday.
Yes, absolutely, Janvi.
She can definitely show you.
I can demonstrate you today, and then slowly we can build upon it.
And what you can also do is in the beginning, if you want, you can use a wall or something to support you.
Wow, this
Because
is
you don't want to
amazing.
fall down.
Look at
Exactly.
her. I hope you guys are watching. Look at her.
Yeah, you have to
So
be
it takes a
careful.
lot of concentration.
And yeah, exactly. You have to
lot
be
of
very
core
focused,
strength.
very focused, and you have to really need the core strength.
Yes,
It's a great pose to do actually.
this is amazing.
But be very careful when you do it. Always do it with an instructor or somebody who knows what they're doing. Don't try it without any proper instruction because you can hurt yourself.
Yes.
Because there is so much pressure on your neck right now.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
That was amazing.
Thank you. I
Now
was
Pradeep will demonstrate, right?
No, I think one is enough. For next time I will do it.
Wow, I am in awe. Very nice.
amazing.
Very I mean, especially controlling yourself like that is. I know how hard it is. I've tried it against the wall, but this is
Yes,
very nice.
if you start with trying against the wall,
Yes.
and then slowly you start to
Get away
let go
from
of the wall, and you will be able to do it. So I can definitely, we can work through it.
Wow,
Whoever
wow.
wants to do it, and the benefit wise, it is called the king of the poses.
Okay.
Because all the blood goes in your head and all the blood circulation is opposite,
Uh-huh.
so all your brain power increases and your eyes
Ah.
power increases, and
Okay.
any brain is the control center of the body.
Yes.
So when
something
brain
good
becomes
for your
better,
brain
Yeah, using
Yeah.
gravity actually.
controls. Yeah.
Gravity to our advantage because now the blood is circulating towards the brain.
Going into your. Okay.
Thank
Well,
you.
thank you so much. And are we seeing anything more?
one pose we wanted to show today was the Vajrasan, which is very easy to do at home
Okay.
and any time of the day. It is very good to help with digestion, so much so that the name of the pose is Vajrasan.
Okay.
And it digests your food so well that your body becomes hard or strong like Vajra. Vajra is diamond, and diamond is the strongest substance on earth.
Yep.
So when you sit in this pose after your meals, your torso is straight and your digestion becomes very strong. So try it again. Another homework for our
I'm doing it
viewers
from the side
today.
so viewers can see how
Yes.
it looks
Okay,
from the side.
sure. I'll
Yeah.
do it this
So
way.
what you do is you sit, you stand on your knees, open your heels, touch your big toes, and sit between them. And it can be a very painful pose for some people, and for some people it's very
Because your
easy.
heels are split apart
Yeah.
like this.
So what
And your
I
hips are
suggest is
resting
you
in
can
between.
use a
Right.
blanket to pad under your feet, or you can put a blanket between your heels and your hips.
Okay.
And even 5 minutes of sitting in this pose after your meals will help you digest your food. So what we do after we eat our meals, we sit, watch some TV, and we sit in this pose. And that is why how we bring more yoga into our everyday life, not just to yoga classes, but everyday life you can.
This
You
is
know
one of
what's
those-
amazing is I've seen kids sitting like this all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Yeah.
automatically they tend to sit like that.
Exactly.
And
And this is
yeah.
one of those few poses that you can do after eating.
Eating.
On a full stomach you can do this. Actually you should do this after full stomach because it really helps digest like Poonam said.
Another thing I suggest for students is if you are very tired and sleepy, instead of going for a cup of coffee, sit in this pose for some time, and you would not need cup of coffee.
that
You can be
happens to me.
awake.
In the
Yeah.
middle of patience, I'm going to be doing this now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Wake me
how.
up.
That's what I used during my college life and in my student life. Whenever I was sleepy, I would sit in this pose and study, and I would be fresh.
Wow.
By doing this because your
Okay.
torso is straight, so your oxygen is going so straight, energy is flowing straight without any hindrance.
Thank you again. Thank you so much, Pradeep and Poonam.
Thank you so
And,
much.
We will be practicing these poses.
Okay, very
We look
good.
forward to that. Thank
Yes,
you very
we
much
do.
everybody. Thanks viewers.